In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily stop Snapchat from accessing your contacts. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to head over to Settings. After that, here at the search box, just search for Snapchat, just enter Snap here, and that's how we can easily find the Snapchat app. And at the Snapchat settings page, right here, you will find contacts. We need to configure it, so now as you can see, it is set to full access. So now Snapchat app has full access to my contacts book, and here, if we want to stop Snapchat from accessing contacts, then first off we need to switch it to none here, just like that. And once it is done, let's hop out settings, and now we need to head over to the Snapchat app. After that, tap right here at the Bitmoji or at the profile picture. Then go to settings by tapping right here at that gear. And in the settings, we are looking for the option clear data just under the privacy controls. And now I'm gonna tap right here where it says clear contact data. It informs us that by selecting confirm, we'll delete all contacts and no longer sync contacts with our Snapchat app. And then to continue, just hit right here. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.